Hey guys, Jelaine here. Wanted to get another really cool article out to y'all. I just love these books that we get as realtors. The Realtor Magazine. This particular one is from February 2019. Anyway, so it was talking about it's an industry now called custom integrators. So it's professional businesses that go in and make, I know a lot of our new construction homes are already set up as being smart homes, but now with all the things that are offered out there with Alexa and Google and smart lights and smart locks and now our TVs, we can talk to the remote control and tell it what we want to watch and control our thermostats and goodness, just all kinds of things. And I love that kind of stuff. I'm super techie and I really enjoy buying all that stuff, although I get warned by many people that are listening. So, but I don't care if I don't have anything to hide, who cares? So we'll see. One day maybe I'll regret it, but I love having all of that technology in my house. So I was really interested to see that there is now companies that their job is to take your home. They'll do rooms or an entire house, and they will customize your home with all of your smart technology. So they'll set things up on your home if you want, if you don't have it set up yet, with your smart locks and your smart lights and your smart thermostat and all your stuff. Or if you already have it, they'll come in and organize it for you, putting it into one simple app, or having it be, or through that app, having it be voice activated, where you can talk to that app and tell it to do anything. So you're not necessarily talking to Google or Alexa, you're just talking to your specific app. And then you just tell that, you know, it reminds me of Rosie. Did you ever watch the Jetsons? To be able to just like say, hey Rosie, do this thing in my home, and then your home would just do it for you. I think that's so cool. So anyways, you can have apps that'll activate voice commands, or you know, activating them through the actual app. But yeah, with all the ovens and all the appliances now that are smart, it's just really cool to know that there's a company out there that can come out and set all this up for us. So I just wanted to kind of educate the agents out there that for clients that maybe like the technology of a new construction and all that it offers, there's actually companies that will come into pre-existing homes and will be able to set your pre-existing home up as a smart home as well, and have it all nice and organized for you in one app where you can communicate to your whole house. So anyways, just that little tidbit of information I thought was super cool and wanted to share that with y'all today. So be sure to comment or like or share this video to somebody who you think is techie like me and likes to have all that technology, or maybe somebody who's like a naysayer. Maybe might need to educate me, who knows. So I just value the feedback and would like to hear it. So my name is Jelaine Mayfield with Mike Mazik Realty, and I look forward to seeing your comments.